In this video, we're going to show you how to set up and review data sync on your Generation 4 display. Through JD-Link Connect, data sync enables work data from the display to be sent to the John Deere Operations Center every 30 seconds. You can also remotely view your screen in real time from your laptop, phone, or tablet, and review near real-time machine metrics such as location, hours, fuel level, and much more. When you have JD-Link Connect enabled on your machine, there is no setup required to enable data sync. So this video focuses on how to review settings and diagnose any issues. On your Generation 4 display, the status center at the top of your screen is the first indicator of your machine's current connection to Operations Center. The cloud and arrow symbol indicates that the connection is active and that your work data is being sent automatically every 30 seconds. Pressing on the status center gives you more information, where a light indicator shows the status of your connection. Pressing on the data sync area of the status center takes you to the File Manager app, where you can import, export, and delete data, as well as review your Operations Center connection and data logs. The light indicator communicates the status of your data connection to Operations Center. To get more information, press on Diagnostics, where you can review cellular signal strength and confirm that all requirements are met to enable data sync. If any of the requirements aren't met, it'll be shown here with an exclamation mark. Returning to File Manager, you can review your wireless export log, where you can see which files are yet to be sent to the Operations Center. The sync preferences allow you to toggle automatic data transfer of work data on and off. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other how-to videos.